Hi, my name is Henrik Harrell. I'm also known as Beats. In this video, I'm gonna make a beat with a plugin called Iris2 by Izotope. It is a VST sampler instrument. Without further ado, let's check it in action. So let's make this beat. Let's check the presets. Oh, this already sounds good. Cool. I have to say this plugin sounds really cool. Okay, let's pick one of those sounds. Now this one.
"15 minutes later."
Let's check this progression. Yes, drag and drop. What? Ah, no, sorry. Cool, I like this. Yeah, let's... So, let's make some drums. Hey! Ooh, that was cool. Dun-dun-dun. I'm not going to quantize this.
A few moments later.
Let's add some hi-hats. Okay, let's drop some 808. Quick EQ. Ooh la la! Let's add some glide, mono, yes. Let's try to switch the key. Let's see what happens. Let's transpose it down like 2 semitones. Let's put an half time on this melody. Half time, or we can put an MRhythmizer. Rhythmizer. This one, which is a gross beat for not FL users. Let's try put another layer. And that's it. This is the beat we made with the Iris 2 by Izotope. This is a cool plugin. I bought it on a plugin boutique for 10 euros, something like that. If you need some cool sounds, you can get it, and it's cheap, you know. Get it now till it's in sale, don't miss it. I will leave the link of this plugin in the description, so if you wanna have a look of it, you can check it out. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, leave a like and leave a comment if you enjoyed this content. It will help me to make more content in the future. So until then, take care and have a nice day. Peace.